scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the strongest base in this equilibrium reaction is actually super easy if you look at the constant. Let's solve this chemistry problem right now. First, look at the equilibrium constant K, which is 0.041. Since this value is much less than 1, the reactants are heavily favored over the products here. In any acid-base reaction, the equilibrium position always shifts away from the stronger species toward the weaker ones. That means our strongest base must be on the product side today. Since the products are not favored, methylamine is the strongest base. This makes option D our final winner. You totally nailed this tricky chemistry concept. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given values and check your steps carefully.